Card versus Google Sites. Which one should you use to build a simple website? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to compare Card and Google Sites, two beginner-friendly tools for building quick websites, so you can pick the one that actually fits your goals. Let's start with Card. It's perfect if you want a one-page site fast, like a personal portfolio, landing page, or project launch page. It's super clean, mobile-friendly, and easy to edit without any coding. Great if you're promoting an app, a side hustle, or just sharing contact info. Now let's talk about Google Sites. Google Sites is completely free and great for internal or team-based sites, like class projects, small group pages, or company wikis. It integrates with Google Drive and Docs, and it's really easy to share and collaborate. But design-wise, it feels pretty basic and not as polished for public-facing sites. So which one is better? If you want something modern-looking, lightweight, and built for public audiences, Card wins. But if you're building a collaborative or internal site and don't care much about design, Google Sites might be all you need. Both are solid, just built for different kinds of websites. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.